Prabir Mukherjee has taken back his application of protest leave as curator of the Cricket Association of Bengal. Remember, he had gone on a month-long medical leave this morning protesting against the BCCI's meddling on the preparation of the pitch for the third test that begins on Wednesday. Captain Dhoni had demanded a ranked turnover for the match, but Prabir had objected to his demand, following which the cricket board had appointed the East Zone curator to assist Mukherjee. But the latest is that Prabir Mukherjee has in fact taken back his resignation. Remember, the BCCI stirred up a fresh controversy by seeking the replacement of the Eden Gardens curator in Kolkata for the third test. The Board of Cricket Control in India asked the Cricket Association of Bengal to appoint East Zone curator Ashish Bhaumik to prepare the Eden track in place of the veteran Prabir Mukherjee, who has been in charge of the Eden Gardens pitch for decades now. Reports said that Mukherjee, who looks after the Eden pitch,
said that the president will answer any query henceforth. As far as I am concerned, I am saying that this is no issue, and unnecessarily we are trying to make an issue which will spoil the test match. Please stop it. If you listen, if you don't stop it, I stop discussing with you.
I understand. So in that case, in continuation to what you said,
let him finish.
Is then, are we to understand that Prabir Mukherjee remains the CAB curator despite his wish to be
yes. No, there is no two. First one, let us resolve. First one, you have understood correctly that he continues to be the curator.
Right. So, and two, is he still in charge of making the Eden Gardens pitch for the Indian?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So your questions are answered. Pressure is high. He has gone to the doctor. He was giving the name of the doctor. Since morning he has not taken the food. I said, first of all, you go and take the food. And he will be coming every day. His pressure is high. I have told him that not that he will not come for 2-3 days. He will come each and every day and he will attend. But maybe he is not so well that if he gives the 16 hours service or 14 hours service, he may not be able to give. He may give 10 hours. But he will be very much on the scene.
না যোগদা এখানে একটা অন্য প্রশ্ন করতে চাইবো উইকেটের ক্ষেত্রে তাহলে লাস্ট কল কি আপনারা প্রবীরদার উপরেই ছাড়ছেন না বোর্ড যেরকম উইকেট চাইছে সেটা
It is we are not leaving to press. We will see to it that how we have to
যোগদা যেটা হচ্ছে প্রবীরদা যে সকালে যেটা বলেছেন যে আমার শরীর খারাপ ছিল প্রবীরদা আমার শরীর খারাপ ছিল আমি কাল সিএবি
মেডিসিন এ ফ্যাক্ট
চেক করে তারপরে আমি আশিসকে বলে আসি আমি আর এই উইকেট করব না বাকিটা তুই দেখ এটা আজকে সকালে উনি বলেছেন তো
আমায় বলেননি আমি জানি না and here say I can't answer
মানে আপনাকে কি বললেন আজকে না আসার কারণ কি হেলথ
there is 101 discussion if you expect me to tell you full stop comma I'm not going to give you and neither you should expect from me
it's Damia latest sir সেটা হচ্ছে যে প্রবীর মুখোপাধ্যায়কে আপনার সেক্রেটারি এবং একজন ট্রেজারার আপনার কাছে বাড়িতে নিয়ে এলেন কারণটা কি
because I wanted to discuss with the Prabir Mukherjee. At the same time, so many people are coming today. And biggest issue of the record is the tickets. I don't know whether you are requiring
I am not for
you have not, but that is what
টিকিটের জন্য মনে হয় নাকি
I am not going to answer
off the record
unless I know your final version that if you want how many you want. Then only
এখানে একটা প্রশ্ন আসছে প্রবীরদার বয়সের কথা মাথায় রেখে প্রবীরদার এই টেস্ট ম্যাচে কন্টিনিউ করছেন সেটা তো আপনি বললেন কিন্তু সিএবি আগামী দিনের জন্য ইন ফিউচার কি ভাবছে বিকজ প্রবীরদার এজ ফ্যাক্টরটাও তো নিশ্চয়ই আপনারা মাথায় রাখেন
So you are suggesting what?
No, we are suggesting nothing. We just want to hear your version.
Let the people do their work and let us see what happens.
বোর্ডের কোনো প্রেসার ছিল সিএবি কে যে তাড়াতাড়ি প্রবীর মুখার্জির এই সমস্যাটা মিটিয়ে ফেলতে
Not to my knowledge.
তাহলে আপনাকে দায়িত্ব নিতে হচ্ছে সেক্রেটারিরা এদিকে সামলাতে পারলেন না প্রেসিডেন্ট বলে
From where if you want to get this feeling, this is unfortunate. If you are drawing this conclusion, it is misfortune.
কিন্তু আপনার সাথে প্রবীরদার যে সম্পর্ক যতদূর জানি, মিনি ওয়ার্ল্ড কাপ যখন হয়েছিল বাংলাদেশে, তখন
এখনো আছে সেই
অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের জন্য আপনি সবচেয়ে বড় ভূমিকা নিয়েছিলেন। তো সেক্ষেত্রে এই ঘটনার আগে প্রবীর মুখার্জি আপনার সাথে কথা বলেন?
কি বলবে?
মানে এই যে শরীরটা খারাপ, আসতে পারছি না, তাই একটা চিঠি পাঠাচ্ছি।
চিঠি কোথায়? Where is the letter? Where is the letter? Is it with you?
না, উনি আমাদের
আমি তো জানি না কোন চিঠি, তো চিঠির জবাবটা কি করে দেবো চিঠি না জানবে।
আপনি যেরকম আমাদের প্রেস মিটে আজকে বলছেন, এরকম ভাবেই আজকে প্রবীর মুখোপাধ্যায় তার ঘরে,
তাহলে অতগুলো ঘরে ঘরে গিয়ে ইউ গো অ্যাবাউট এন্ড কালেক্ট দ্য পেপার।
তার মানে ওনার যে বক্তব্যটা ছিল আমাদের টিভিতে ইন্টারভিউ দিয়েছেন।
Don't try to put the words in my mouth. Whatever was in our mind, whatever was our stand, we have explained.
মিস্টার ডালমিয়া, আপনি যখন দায়িত্বে ছিলেন বোর্ডে, তখন আমরা একটা সময় ইংল্যান্ডের বিরুদ্ধে খেলতাম হোমে। অজিত ওয়াদেকার কোচ ছিলেন এবং আজহারউদ্দিন ক্যাপ্টেন ছিল। তখন এই ধরনের কোনো কিছু বলা হতো না, কিন্তু হোম টিমের অ্যাডভান্টেজে হতো। এখন কি কোথাও মনে হয় যে এই ধরনের একদম অফিসিয়ালি বলে দেওয়া, এটা কোথাও একটা,
we will cross the bridge when we come across?
না, কিন্তু
এবারে কিছু বলতে চাইছেন না, এটা শুনে দিয়েছেন এটাই অবধি।
There is no point. That shows that you are bent upon to see যে কোনো গোলমালটা বেঁধে যাবে।
না,
you will not like it. তাহলে I also don't like it.
যোগদা একটু ক্যামেরার দিকে তাকিয়ে বলবেন। একটা প্রশ্ন জানতে চাইছি যে আজকে আপনার বাড়িতে প্রবীরদা এসে যে কথা বলে গেলেন এই বৈঠকের পর, প্রবীরদার ওপর কি বিসিসিআই এর তরফ থেকে বা সিএবির তরফ থেকে কোনো রকম গ্যাগ অর্ডার থাকছে, নাকি উনি ফ্রিলি কথা বলতে পারবেন?
Freely. He will be able to talk. না, মিডিয়ার সঙ্গে আমি কথা বলতে বারণ করেছি, because 10 media talking and writing 10 different stories. So I have asked him not to speak.
আপনি আগেও বলেছিলেন।
Mr. President, if you don't mind, sorry, I want to ask that, can we say this another master stroke of Jawan Dalmi?
What is master stroke? It is.
What is
the master stroke?
যোগদা, is it the master stroke or is it the master
Several
lunch?
times we saw that. Lot of example earlier. And this is the, I think,
Then you are better person to tell this.
Resolving the whole issue on a table, across the table, is it, can be called as master stroke or master lunch?
No master stroke, no master lunch. It is simply we straighten up the things which were unnecessarily confused by so many people coming, and what they were doing, they were trying to give some stories. Nowadays I am not much in touch with you. Otherwise I have never seen so many people for who will be the curator. So if you ask me that what I was doing when I was in charge, at least I would not have taken that much time.
ক্রিকেট সম্পর্কে তাহলে এখন কথা অফিসিয়ালি কে বলবেন, আপনি এবং
ক্রিকেটের সম্বন্ধে কথাই বলবো না,
মিডিয়ার সাথেও
কথাই বলবো না।
আচ্ছা,
ক্রিকেটের সম্বন্ধে কথা বলার তো সময় আসেনি।
না, যদি কোনো কোয়ারি থাকে
থাকলে you send it to us in writing. We will see if it is what we will answer. Otherwise, we will say that it is not to be answered.
To
But we will be in communication. There is no hide and seek. You are all welcome. You can come. You can talk. You can ask. But if you try to put the words in my mouth, I will not.
thank you.
He has given example. Till you come like a Pradipto, he used to come. Or it comes through like you. Means, Master, I'm telling about you.
Well, that was Jagmohan Dalmia there saying that the crisis seems to have been resolved, at least for now. Let me go across to my colleague Shivani Gupta, who joins us for more on the story. Shivani, it seems that the fire has been doused, at least for now. But tell us, there has been a long-standing, face-off between Dhoni and Mukherjee. How is this going to be handled in the near future?
Well, there's not just a history between Dhoni and Prabir Mukherjee. There's also a history with several former captains. Kapil Dev and Saurav Ganguly have come on record to say on headlines today that they have also had, tiffs or, disagreements with Prabir Mukherjee. He never really does what a captain asks him to do. He has a mind of his own. So that is there. But what is happening right now is a lot of backdoor negotiations and meetings are happening, because in a sense, the CAB and the BCCI both were caught a little off foot with the kind of stance that Prabir Mukherjee took earlier in the morning, and therefore all of them sprung into action. Biswaroop Dey even went and met Prabir Mukherjee at his place, then took him to Jagmohan Dalmia, brought him to the Eden Gardens now. So there are a lot of backroom negotiations and appeasement in some sense that is going on to get Prabir Mukherjee back on track with them. What Jagmohan Dalmia is essentially saying that on the face of it, as is officially been said, that while Prabir Mukherjee needed a medical time off because he's unwell and so on and so forth, I have requested him now to continue his work at the Eden Gardens pitch. So in other words, there's a compromise that has been worked out now. Egos have been doused right now because Prabir Mukherjee in the morning had taken a very hard stance, saying that what the BCCI and the captain are asking for is completely out of line, it's unjust and it's immoral. Now they've tried to bring him, have tried to calm him down a little bit so that he can at least on the face of it in front of the media come back and work on the pitch.
Right, Shivani, is there any clarity on how this is going to work, considering the BCCI wanted Mukherjee replaced with Bhaumik and he was brought in to assist Mukherjee, if you will, but that is something that Mukherjee didn't take very kindly to. So how are things going to work out?
Well, we are awaiting more details as to just how Prabir Mukherjee is going to actually backtrack and go back to what he said in the morning, because it said very categorically, earlier when he said that, oh, I would love to work with a junior curator of mine. Today morning, he said very categorically that I am not liking everything that is going on. But with Jagmohan Dalmia stepping in, it's clear that they will have to, eat some of their pride, swallow some of their pride on both sides. The BCCI would have also been told to back off a little bit because here there is the CAB and that controls the pitch and they have their own curator, Jagmohan Dalmia, making very clear, appeasing Prabir Mukherjee in some sense. So they will have to work together now, and that seems to be the backdoor negotiations that have gone on.
Right, and where does this leave this entire debate about whether the captain should have a say as far as the pitch is concerned, with Mukherjee having a mind of his own? How are things? All right, I think, Shivani, we are a little out of time. We will leave that one for later in the bulletin. But for now, it seems that the crisis has been resolved. We are, of course, awaiting more details as to how a compromise has been worked out. Shivani Gupta, thank you for joining us with that update.